To federal court now, where the trial continues for former Honolulu prosecutor Keith Kaneshiro and former businessman Dennis Mitsunaga and his associates. Today, witness testimony in Mitsunaga's company and interactions with the fired employee who sparked the whole investigation. Christy Tomashiro with the latest tonight from federal court.
In day two of the Kaneshiro, Mitsunaga and Associates conspiracy and bribery trial, the government bringing out some of its first witnesses. That includes former Mitsunaga and Associates employees. Prosecutors claim Dennis Mitsunaga, the former owner of Mitsunaga and Associates, a local engineering firm, wanted a fired employee prosecuted after filing a federal discrimination lawsuit against his company. During witness testimony, video evidence was shown of the day that former employee was fired, with staff recording her packing boxes into her car and eventually following her level by level out of the parking garage. During cross-examination, the defense made it clear that employees filmed this to prove that the firing went smoothly.
I think for the government, they want to say that she was unfairly targeted. In fact, she was so unfairly targeted that it was there was an extra malicious effort to get her in trouble criminally.
The defense claims that employee was fired from Mitsunaga and Associates for unauthorized side jobs done on company time. Meanwhile, the government's next witness was another former employee who was asked about his side jobs he completed while at the company. The witness said he did about 20 or less side jobs, and he was never told to not use his company work or email to complete the side jobs. He also said Mitsunaga wanted him to make an LLC for side work, but the defense brought out the company's policy handbook, pointing out rules that ban employees from using company phones and emails for side jobs.
The defense has one goal, and that is to introduce reasonable doubt. Because if the jury finds that there is reasonable doubt to the charges that are being brought by the government, then they have to find the defendants not guilty.
Looking ahead, it's expected the government will continue to lay out the company's interactions with the fired employee for the next few days. Trial will continue at federal court on Monday. Christy Tomashiro, KH12 News, working for Hawaii.